So let's just start by revisiting some of our old slides that we had so we can see where we've come and changed through this. So this is the peak uncertainty slide with the red that's been thrown in of what's new. What does a trade deal look like? You're not allowed to say hope in this industry. I held out hope that maybe we'd start throwing up some zeros and have some real trade deals, but it looks like they like tariffs, right? They're going to hold some tariffs on, that 10%, which has been your base case the whole time.
Yes.
Is that you thought they would arrive at 10.
Yes, but I also thought that they were really trying to isolate China, and it looks like we're getting, we haven't seen the deal yet, but they're going to the table, and it looks like there's some good negotiation coming out of that.
But those are the two pieces of news, right? The UK deal, which we're not going to spend a bunch of time on it. There's not a whole lot there. No one really expected much. It's just a good sign that we're moving past it. And they had some carve-outs, and they had the 10% minimum and said that's unlikely to happen for other countries, but 10 would really be the floor. So it'd be nice to see more people coming in at 10. That's something we'll have to see. And last month, we weren't sure if China would start negotiating in Q2. And really depends what your priors were with the view. A bunch of people out there saying China was really struggling. They needed to negotiate now. But if you hadn't said that, typically you're saying that the U.S. was really struggling. We needed to negotiate now too. But that's starting to move along. And Trump put Bessent in charge of that, which was, again, a good sign. Another good sign just coming through, I keep coming back to it. I know it's a little bit silly. Lutnick, and go back to last November, where he said, we're just not going to tariff things we don't make. And then went ahead with supporting tariffing things that we don't make, significantly changing his view, and coming back again a couple weeks ago, talking specifically about mangoes. Again, stupid thing to reference, but saying...
At least it's not penguins.
Yeah. At least he's saying, in the mango deal, right now we are tariffing them, but once we get a trade deal, he, again, doesn't want to tariff them, because we can't grow our own mangoes, as we all know. And just saying that is just the path of saying, if we go down that path, market's going to be fine, economy's going to be fine. Do we start throwing up massive tariffs on things that we can't make? That's where peak uncertainty might not be behind us, but I think we're moving in the right direction.
I think we're past that part of the negotiation, if that's what you call this process, that